Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to add audio on a CapCut application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do now is just start a new project, but if you already have the project, you just need to open it again. So here I would like to show you with my previous project. Here I already have the video, but then I have no audio for this video. So the things that we have to do to add an audio actually just so simple. You can see here it's written in plus add audio. You just need to simply click this right there, and after that you will have an access to an audio option. Either you want to add the sounds, checking the copyright, add an effects, extract it from your other files, or do a voiceover. Okay, and today I think I would like to go with the sounds, and here I think I will let you go with the beat. And after that, let's looking for the good musics. Okay, I think it's quite good. Just click plus button, and now we just need to adjusting the length of the music or the audio to the clip. Make sure that the length is the same. So you just need to bring this straight line into the end of the clip, and after that you just need to click part of the audio until it is in active mode, and after that you just need to click split and delete for the rest. And that's all. That's the way how to add audio on your video on a CapCut application by iOS or iPhone. So if you find out this tutorial today is really useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.